Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the custom page sizer. You can check it out here after it's installed in the add-on marketplace. So let's press start and let's authorize the add-on. So yes, click allow. And then we can select a trim size. For example, we're going to change it to 5x8. Just apply page settings. Now it's applied. And there's I showed the warning because I showed the warning here. Because if you set it into a custom page size that Google doesn't officially support, the default Google page size, the page setup won't be usable. So if you go here and then change it to this, see, it won't. So the only solution is to reload the page and change it, revert it back using the add-on, this. So let's revert it using this Google default, or you can just choose, let's apply. So the Google default is now usable. See? That is all. Thanks for watching.